Besh, look at this. Oh my God. This is Arashiyama train station. Charot. Good morning, Beshies. It is Saturday and we are on our way back to Kyoto because we will visit the Arashiyama Forest, Arashiyama Bamboo Park, and this Golden Temple. And hopefully, makadaan pa kaming Takashimaya later. So yan, outfit of the day. Leggings, shirt from Marks & Spencer's, and my trusty New Balance 530s. Wala pa ako nabibiling shoes because one, I have no time to pass by ABC Mart or Atmos because we're always on the go. Two, I was able to pass by in our first few days here in Osaka, but I had no size. Because it's either I have no size or I didn't like anything that I saw. So anyway, yun na. Let's go. Alright, Besh, we are near Saga Arashiyama Station. So this is the starting point or the walk-off point to Arashiyama Forest. However, if you don't want to walk for 15 minutes, because it's 15 minutes from here, yung Arashiyama Forest, you can take the Randen Saga station, which we will do because we want to conserve our energy. There's going to be a lot of walking for us today. I haven't had breakfast yet, and we found this charming burger place on the way to Randen Saga. It's called Uppit's Burger. And wala lang, kung sawa na kayo sa mga sushi and Japanese food, ito, may burger dito malapit sa Randen Saga. Yeah, let's eat. We are now going to Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. However, we don't want to walk. If you go down Arashiyama, as I mentioned, lalakad kayo 15 minutes, but it's so hot. And if you're like us and you want to conserve your energy, hanapin nyo tong Randen Saga Station. It's very near Saga Arashiyama. Just go straight. Paglabas mo ng station, dire-diretso ka lang. Parang, pag galing ka station, parang sa right mo siya. Dire-diretso ka lang. Tapos hanapin nyo to. Ayan, Randen Saga. So, dito kayo sa platform A12. So, dapat it says, going to Arashiyama. Hello, Bash! Welcome to the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest grounds. So, dito kami sa pasalubong area. And we're gonna walk all the way to the Bamboo Grove na. Pagkababa nyo ng Randen Saga Station, ayan na siya. Puro pasalubong na. Okay, so you can rent a rickshaw to take you around the area. World Heritage Site. This is Arashiyama train station. Charot. Ang daming tao. So, it's just a 10-minute walk from the entrance, from the actual entrance of the Bamboo Grove. And super daming tao, so don't expect to get a really nice photo. Something that's decent lang. Ganun talaga. Don't let that ruin your day. And we are gonna go na to the Monkey Park. Pero there are some spots naman na
may lulls.
Parang may mga lulls din naman, like parang yung crowd eases out because they're taking pictures somewhere. So all you have to do is just be fast. Timingan nyo lang. Tara na. Besh, ang cute dito sa Arashiyama. Loko, Rika Kuma store. Ang cute. May Rika Kuma na statue. Grabe, ang cute nito. I'm here for the ice cream. Pero let's go around first. Oh, sorry. So, ito, mga Rika Kuma mug. Sikat to na bear character eh. Tapos they have maple honey cheesecake. Itong mga cheesecakes though and Castella cakes, parang mabilis ang shelf life, like a week, ganon. So don't buy too many. And we have mga towels. Yan, mga stuffed toy, Rika Kuma. Grabe. Wala naman akong gustong bilhin for now. I'm here for the ice cream though. This one. Rika Kuma honey stand. Oh my God! Ang cute! Besh, look, Rika Kuma ice cream. It's so cute!
Nakain ko na si Rikakuma. Natutunaw ang init. But so good. Sarap ng ice cream. Besh, look at this. Oh my God! This is yung Togetsukyo Bridge ba? Basta, that bridge. And we already came from the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. And we're crossing to the Monkey Park. And you will pass by this view. Oh my God. Look at this. Ang ganda. Grabe, ang linis ng tubig mga besh. Ang linis ng tubig, super clear. Ito yung lalakaran nyo all the way to the Monkey Park. Babe, look at the other side. So, dito na tayo sa Monkey Park, guys. We have to go up a flight of stairs. We go here. Wow. From here, 20 minutes.
Ayan. Tapos, yun tayo. Golden yun tayo.
So, may entrance yung park and it's 20 minutes to go up. Dapat fit kayo dito mga besh. Hi Beshi, so we are now at the top of the Monkey Park. It's a 20-minute hike if you do it continuously, pero with rest, para mga 30-40 minutes din siya. Medyo steep na slope, so nakakapagod. Kung super fit ka naman, no problem.
Yeah, actually, this shouldn't be a problem siguro too much if you go here during around winter time when it's kind of cool, very cold.
Plus or spring, plus ang init din, it's summer na, start of summer. So the heat really drains your energy. By the way, we're seeing monkeys now. We are at the top. So yan. So kailangan fit kayo. Medyo sulit, mukhang sulit naman kasi ayan na lumabas yung monkeys. We're now here at the Monkey Park. Look at that guy. Yan. And they're foraging for insects.
No.
Guys, look oh. Hindi nakain niya. Makain siya. Look at it. Eto, magma-monkey feeding kami. You can only feed them inside this house or cage.
Makita?
Ayan, feeding siya. Ang cute niya. Okay, Besh, we are currently having lunch. Chuwijaya ba yung name ito? Basta this is near the train station na because we have to leave and go to the Golden Temple in a while. And I'm so happy na abutan ko tong Sugi Bee Garden Honey Waffle. Ang sarap nito. Ito yung waffle. Oh my gosh, bumili ako ng 4. Hi, okay ni? Okay ni. So, dito sa Kansai region, Osaka, Kyoto, yun yung sinasabi instead of arigato gozaimasu. Pero they say arigato gozaimasu din. So anyway, ayun, nabili ko yung waffle. Ang sarap nito. I wanted to get 3 for myself. Pero 2 na lang. Kasi katakawan na. Oh my gosh. Before we go to the temple, bibili ulit ako ng Sugi Garden na yan. Hi Besh, so we are now at Takashimaya, Kyoto. So, nakapila ulit ako dito sa Hermes. Number 10. So, ikot muna tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung brands dito. O, ayan. Brunello Cucinelli. Ang paborito ng, quiet luxury aesthetic sa TikTok. So, ano pa ibang dito? Oh, Delvo. Fairness Loro Piana. Hi! O, ayan, Besh. Loro Piana. Oh, this is Delvo. Ayan, sumisikat din to na quiet luxury brand, Delvo. Ayan, galing akong Hermes. Wala daw bag. Kasi nagre-renovate sila, so yung space sa second floor is small. So yeah, I don't think mag-o-offer talaga sila. And I went here sa Chanel. I almost got yung all-white na classic flap. Tapos meron siyang gold hardware na shiny gold. Ang ganda. Pero pag-iisipan ko muna because that one is available din sa Osaka in Ginza. So I think it's a popular bag right now. Pag-iisipan ko kasi I'm not really a white person. Actually, I'm not a light-colored person. So, tingnan natin. Bumili lang ako sa YSL ng new foundation and lipstick and cleansing oil sa Shuemura pasalubong. After this, labas kami, hanap coffee, and we go back to Osaka. I'm actually looking at another Kota bag as my birthday gift, and I was really looking forward to an Hermes, either Birkin or Kelly, but totoo nga ang balita, walang stock. Either no stock or they don't just feel like offering me one. But it's okay. Hindi tayo magpapaka-sad dahil lang sa bag. But anyway, yeah. I was so tempted to get the Chanel Classic Flap in white. However, me and light-colored bags talaga were not a good match. And super nice pa naman ng SA. Parang ang sarap niya bilhan. Yeah, I almost got it, but then I realized yung inside niya is all white. So that's really the bummer for me because I can imagine how dirty that can get, and I can foresee yung stains and heartaches and stress that are associated with a very light colored bag. Pero grabe, sabi nga ni husband ko, kakaiba daw talaga yung white. Ang ganda ng itsura. Parang he's never seen something like that na flap because it's always black, diba? But yun lang, it's gonna be really tough to take care of that. So yan, eto LV. Maghahanap na kami ng coffee shop kasi babalik na kami ng Osaka in a while. We'll have dinner there. Magiginza naman kami, so makakapamili pa ako. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga nandito sa Kyoto. Grabe. So yan, LV. They have the new Yayoi Kusama collection now. Tapos meron tayong Furla. Basta nandito lang siya. Grabe tong Takashimaya Kyoto. Oh, Berluti. Ayan. For men yan na high-end. We have Coach. Ayan. So, meron din tayong Loewe. Okay. Pagdating ko ng Ginza siguro, I'll decide whether I'll get a bag or rubber shoes na lang from Chanel or something. Kasi even yung flats na Chanel, I tried it already. Hindi siya kasha. Okay, tapos na talaga yung lemming ko doon. Pero guys, grabe. They have stocks of the beige and black na yung two-tone na ano to? Chanel na flats. Meron dito. So yung kung maliit paan nyo, you're lucky. And yun din. Hard to find sizes kasi it's super popular. Anyway, labas na kami. Ayan ang Goyard. Gusto ko pumasok at magtanong, pero baka mami if I find out na if malaman ka na may small size nung Artois, bilhin ko ulit. Pero dalawa yung Artois ko. Anyway, ayan. Ayan mga besh, ito yung Kyoto Kawaramachi. So this is right outside Takashimaya. So if you go way over there, that's gonna be Daimaru. So it's another high-end store. Popular siya dito sa Kansai area. Ang ganda nitong Kyoto kasi meron siyang ancient na landmarks, nature, and city. Gosh, I think after Tokyo, ito na yung next na favorite ko, Kyoto. Pagbalik nga natin dito, babe, magstay tayo dito.
Yeah, we should.
Hi guys, so we are now back in Osaka and we're currently at Salvatore Cuore for dinner. Well, medyo pagod. And we're looking for something new, something not Japanese because we've been having Japanese food since yesterday. So ito, pizza. Hi Bashis, we're now back in the hotel. So after our dinner sa may Shinsei Bashi, di na ako naka-vlog kasi super pagod na.
naglakad lang kami ng Dotonbori and tried to look for desserts. We wanted to get another Strawberry Mania dessert, but the line was just so long and we were so tired, and we decided to just let it go. And we just tried to like check out some smaller streets, yung sa sides ng main Dotonbori area. Really nice, really interesting, but still, everything is food. Tapos, ayun, naglakad kami pa uwi. So, yeah, good night na mga besh. And tomorrow, we are going to Nara. It's our final day in the Kansai region tomorrow. So, we're gonna visit the Todaiji Temple, Nara Deer Park, and then we're gonna go back to Osaka and see if we can do Umeda Sky and the final dinner either there or sa Dotonbori ulit. So, yun lang. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to follow my social media accounts, visit my blog, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any uploads, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Beshi!